What's up guys, for today's video we'll be taking a look at the all-new 2019 Chevrolet Sonic RS. Then I'll show you many of the features on the interior and exterior. So since its introduction in 2012, the Sonic has made a positive impression on owners. While many admit it may not make the best family car, driver commend its reliability, safety, and fuel economy. In addition, people enjoy the Sonic's fresh styling includes a wide array of exterior paint choices. Although its fuel economy and cargo space could be improved, most owners consider the Sonic is a good buy with considerable overall value. The Sonic is available in 4-door sedan, 5-door hatchback body styles. Hatchback available for the top two trims only. The lineup includes the LS, LT, and top of the line Premier. So the Sonic comes available with the 1.8-liter 4-cylinder that makes 138 horsepower and 125 pound-feet of torque, connected to either 5-speed manual transmission or the 6-speed automatic transmission, and makes 26 in the city and 36 on the highway. The window control, all 4 windows are fully automatic. Right above it you have the mirror control, then you have the lock and unlock with the door handle. Also down here you have a storage with a bottle holder. And on the left hand side of the steering wheel you have the light control and the fog light. And on the steering wheel you have a leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side you have your cruise control. On the right hand side you have the radio control with voice command. Help!
Which would you like help with? Hands-free calling, turn-by-turn directions, or OnStar info? Thank you. Goodbye.
Also behind the steering wheel you have the controls for the screen with the turning signal. And on the right hand side you have the windshield wiper control. And on the screen you have your speed, trip 1, 2, fuel range, fuel economy, vehicle speed, You also have vehicle, you have the oil life, tire pressure, and units. And on the center console you have the 7-inch color display. On the left hand side you have the card holder. Right below it you have the engine start stop button. Also you have a little storage right here. Right below the screen you have the controls. And right here you have the lock and unlock. You have the climate control. You also have 2 USBs and auxiliary cord. And right down here you have the 6-speed automatic transmission. When you put it in reverse, a backup camera appears with guidance line. Also right behind it you have the traction control, and you have 3 cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet and emergency brake. And on the screen you have your audio. You have Sirius XM, FM, and AM. You have the gallery. You have phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings, you have the time and date, language, radio, vehicle, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB auto launch, turn off display, rear camera settings, return to factory settings, and software information. You also have OnStar.
OnStar ready.
Wi-Fi. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $19,420. They added the Connect Blue metallic color, which comes out to $20,690. Here's the final assembly. And fuel economy.